Here is a Galaxy 9-inch oscillating table fan. This one is in the brown color, as you can see. I also have another brown 9-inch Galaxy table fan. I've already shown that one on the channel before. It looks like this one here. Now the difference between these two is that this one is a few years older. How you can tell is by the color. The color is a lot darker brown and it's more translucent. You can see right through it. The logo, Galaxy logo, is the older style. The plug, you can tell that that's older style, non-polarized. It also uses a blade cap to screw in the blade there instead of being press fitted on. This one has like a very light brown, almost like an amber orange color. It's kind of cloudy, it's not completely see-through. It has the more wavy, newer Galaxy badge. It does not have a cap, it just press fits on. I'd rather have the cap instead of the press fit. It just makes a better fit. The cord on this one, the cord itself is thicker. It's not a thinner gauge like this one is. It's just a little more thinner. And the plug on this one is the more modern, latest style of a plug design. So that's a little bit of a comparison between that one and this one. I thought it was very neat that I came across these two in a very short amount of time. I believe I got this one first, and then I got that one like maybe a month later. And it was just very interesting to see the comparison. The blade texture, the blade material on this one is that harder, non-flexible plastic. It's more durable. This one, it's a lot more flexy. You can see there. It's a lot more flexible. And I do find that this one does blow more air than the other one. And it seems to run a little more faster, particularly on low. I think they run about the same on high, but this one runs a little faster on low. But I really do think that this one blows more air than the other. So I'll go ahead and look this fan over, show it around, and then we'll turn it on. It's in really great shape. There's no rust on the grills. The plastic's in good shape. Just a little dusty from sitting. I don't have too many use cases for 9-inch table fans, but I figured to get the Galaxy Lasco ones just because I have the 12-inch models of those. It does have one of its plastic clips on there, but I believe these would have came with maybe 4 originally, but the other 3 are gone. They're just being held by zip ties. That's usually the case on these by now. Those plastic clips do not hold up all their time. Here's the bottom. There's the informations. I believe that's some kind of date code, but I don't know how to decode that. Here's the plug yet again. Alright, and we'll plug this in and we'll turn it on low. Now, unfortunately, a lot of these 9-inch table fans, and even smaller, like maybe the 6-inch ones as well, they tend to have very bad bearings over time. The bearings go really bad and they make a lot of rattling sounds. This one's not too bad. It's a little out of balance, but it's not too bad. It's blowing a nice good breeze. And go to high. And we'll turn it off. And there you have it, a Galaxy 9-inch oscillating table fan. I don't know the model number on these, but I would have to say this is probably around, since this is the brown model, it's probably around the mid-80s, I would say. This one, I would have to say, is probably from the late 80s, probably a few years newer than this one.